Hello, dear friends. Today, we're drawing Mega Minion Tim from Despicable Me 2024, one of the most popular characters from the latest movie. This guide includes 16 steps, and we'll soon explore each one together. Before we begin, I want to remind you about the unique hand-drawn coloring pages available through the link in the description. These pages offer a wide assortment of fun ideas to color, perfect for unwinding or entertaining your kids. If you'd rather draw at your own pace, there's also a link to a text guide with all the same steps in image format. That way, you won't need to pause the video each time. Since this video is short, I'd really appreciate it if you watch until the end, subscribe, and leave a comment. You can share how it was drawing Tim, mention your favorite character from the movie, or suggest ideas for future videos. Your support helps the channel grow and motivates me to create more content. Now let's get started. The first two steps focus on creating a basic sketch. I recommend using light strokes to make it easier to erase later. We'll add details step by step. Congratulations, you've almost completed your guide and drawn Mega Minion Tim. At this stage, carefully erase the basic sketch, or you can outline your drawing with a pen or ink. Once the ink dries, erase the pencil lines for a clean finish. Feel free to color Tim using this image as a reference. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching the video. Until this point, it means a lot and shows me that you're interested in the content I create. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, comment, and check out the links in the description. I've got over 4,000 step-by-step guides in the same style on my site, and I try to publish new videos daily. See you tomorrow with a new guide.